Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Monday, January 4th, 2021. Happy New Year. Welcome back to school. I'm so glad you guys are all here, ready to learn, ready to work. Let's start the day with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice, you guys can have a seat. Hey, we're going to talk about growth mindset this week. We're going to talk about setting goals. We're going to talk about some upcoming PLP conferences on January 21st and 22nd. But first, I want to start today with this. One of the habits of success in Summit is called growth mindset. If you've been around Achieve for a while, we've been talking about this for years. We've talked about the power of yet and things you can't do yet. But part of the definition in Summit says that you can actually grow your intelligence. It doesn't just say that you can learn new things. It actually means that you can learn to be good at things that you're not naturally good at. I want you to have a conversation with your class today, and you got to provide some evidence or at least back up your claims, but I just want you to get a little conversation going. Do you actually think that that's possible? Is it actually possible to grow your intelligence? Okay? In other words, I'm not talking about learning a new thing in English or math or history or science. I'm talking about this. Is it actually possible for you to get smarter and your brain to actually grow in intelligence? All right, have a conversation with your class about that, and we'll talk more about goal setting and growth mindset throughout the week. Have a great day, Achieve.